Hello everyone, AXR Investments Weekly Market Update, May 5th, 2025. Let's dive into what's really going on with the economy right now. Inflation's rising, the Fed is stalling, and the markets are shaky. But according to LPL research, a soft landing is still possible. The question is, how realistic is that? And what should you be doing? The current landscape. Here's where we stand. Economic growth is steady, not explosive, but solid. That's the good news. But inflation isn't playing along. Progress has stalled, but that's what's keeping the Fed from cutting rates. The economy is strong enough to delay cuts, but that strength is also fueling persistent inflation. It's a frustrating balance. Why the Fed is holding off? The Fed's walking a tightrope. Consumer spending, still strong. Labor market, surprisingly resilient. But core inflation is still running too hot for the Fed to feel safe easing up. The original plan was to start cutting rates this summer. Now, that's likely being pushed back. Don't expect much movement until inflation shows real improvement, or something forces the Fed's hand. For your family's or business custom financial plan, book a free call via link in the description below. Who am I? Akshay Gupta, owner of AXR Investments. I've been managing multi-million-dollar families and businesses for over 6 years now. Our minimum is $1 million, and if that is you, please get in touch and I will personally respond. Also, share with someone you know will find this useful. So, what does this all mean for your investments? Right now, the market is in a wait-and-see mode. That means stocks may stay range-bound until earnings or inflation data surprises. Rate-sensitive sectors like real estate or bonds could stay volatile. Volatility remains high as markets try to guess the Fed's next move. But here's the silver lining. We're not in a recession, and that's key. Still, this isn't time to coast. You need a real plan that reflects this environment. Bottom line, a soft landing is still possible, but it's getting tougher with each sticky inflation report. The Fed doesn't want to wreck the economy, but it also won't risk inflation getting out of control. So, this is a time for clarity, strategy, and smart positioning. If you're wondering what this means for your portfolio, let's connect and make sure you're not flying blind. Thank you for listening. See you next week.